YouTube is a rising social channel that provides limitless opportunities to engage customers. Use YouTube to raise brand awareness, bring more visitors to your site, create trust with your target audience, generate more leads, and boost income. Is where your company should be. Videos attract more visitors, retain them longer, and inform visitors what to do more effectively. It's a win-win situation. In this video, I will show you how to create YouTube channel account. First, you have to sign in your Gmail account. Then go to youtube.com website. Now click on profile icon and click on create a channel. Now enter your channel name. Enter your custom URL. Now click on create channel. Now click on customize channel. Now you have to verify your account. Now click on next. Enter password. Then click on next. Then click on continue. Now click on branding. Now you have to upload your profile picture. Now click upload. Select your profile picture. Now click on done. Now you have to upload banner image. So click on upload. Now select your banner image. Now click on done. Then go to basic info. Write here about your business. Now you can enter your website link or other social media link. So click here and write website. Then enter your website's link and enter your Gmail and click on publish. Then go to settings. And select your currency. Then click on channel and select your country. Enter some keywords about your business. Now click on feature eligibility. Then click on intermediate features and you have to verify your phone number. So click here. Then select your country. Enter your phone number and click on Get Code. Now write here OTP. Then click here. Now see phone number verified. Go to previous tab and click on Save. Now click on View Channel. Now your channel is ready. If you have any question or need any help, please contact with us. Thanks for watching.